Imagine you want to install a package that depends on some other packages called dependencies. And you may check the package dependencies in many ways. Now let's dive into this video to know how to check package dependencies in Linux using the command line terminal in 3 easiest ways. Linux has many available distributions, and each distribution has different commands for checking the dependencies of a package. Here you can see a list of those commands to check dependencies for different distribution. You need to replace the package name with the actual package name. And if you are using Arch Linux and Pactree is not installed in your system, you may run the command sudo pacman-s pacman-contrib. And if you are still not clear, check out the article linked in the description. Sometimes checking the dependencies of a software package becomes the first step of installing the software. You can use 3 different methods to check dependencies in Ubuntu. These are apt-package manager through apt-show command and apt-cache command, then dpkg command, and finally third-party tool called rdepends. The apt-package manager provides 2 straightforward to check any software dependency. These are apt-show command and apt-cache command. Suppose you want to install a VLC player. Before installing, you want to check the dependency packages of VLC. This command provides information about the package such as version, type of the package, total download size, etc. Also, the output has a special section depends that lists all the dependency packages with their required version. So, at first open your terminal and then run the command sudo apt-show VLC. Hit enter, and if you scroll up, then you can see all the dependencies are listed here. This command lists out only the dependency package name. It does not show the version, type of package, publisher information, etc. The output only focuses on the dependency package name to enhance readability for you. So in the terminal, type apt-cache depends VLC. Hit enter, and look, all the dependencies of VLC are displayed. dpkg is a package manager for Debian-based distros. It can also be used to install, uninstall, and update packages. You can use dpkg to check dependencies if a package is already installed in your system. So let's check dependencies using dpkg. First, you need to install the package. For that, type in your terminal sudo apt-install VLC. Now hit enter, and VLC is downloaded and installed in your system. Now you can check the dependencies using dpkg. To do so, type dpkg -s VLC. Hit enter. Now if you scroll up, you can see the dependencies after version, publisher, size, and some other information. apt-rdepends is a popular and user-friendly third-party tool for checking package dependencies. This tool performs a recursive listing of package dependencies like apt-cache, but it also shows the required version of those dependencies. Before using the apt-rdepends, you need to install it. For that, type in the terminal sudo apt-get install -y apt-rdepends. This command will install apt-rdepends package to help you to check other package dependencies. So now hit on the enter button and apt-rdepends is installed in your system. But sometimes this installation command may not work for you. Don't worry, it may happen sometime. You can resolve that issue by updating apt-get. For that, run the command sudo apt-get update. Hit enter, and thus your system will be updated. After updation, you can proceed again in installing apt-rdepends using the previous command, and I hope you won't face any further issue. So after installing the rdepends, you can use it to check dependency for any packages. For example, I want to check dependency of VLC package. So Typing in the terminal sudo apt-rdepends vlc. Hit enter. Now look at the terminal. All the dependencies are listed in a recursive manner. For example, vlc depends on vlc bin depends on libc6, and so on. This command will help you to see all the nested dependencies required for installing the VLC player. That's all. Now you know 3 easiest ways to check the dependencies of a package in a Linux system, and you will find all the commands and the article link in the description.